Check out this Pokemon data scraper. Actually, it's not. It just scrapes data from the internet. Really cool if you're looking to get a large list of different companies and you don't want to manually go in and go type every single one. So it'll scrape the data for you and then it'll save it in an Excel spreadsheet, or you can copy and paste in Tampa. Ooh, I like Tampa. Yeah, we'll say plumbers and Tampa, right? Click return, and it's going to give us all these plumbers. And then you come over here, click on the instant data scraper. We'll pull this over here. And you want to make sure the scraper finds the table. So try another table, try another table. Aha, this is exactly what we want. And make sure it's on infinite scroll, especially for a like a Google Maps listing, because it'll continue to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. If it's for like another type of listing, like Yellow Pages, you might want to, instead of doing infinite scroll, you can locate the next button, click on the next button, and it'll click the next page for you. But for this case, infinite scroll, and we're gonna click on start the crawl. Now we just wait. So all you have to do is give it some time and it's going to start to find all the information. So right now, after 11 seconds, it already found 20 companies, and you continue to wait and it'll continue to pull information. Now while you're waiting, you can change this, because this is a bunch of jibber jabber nonsense. What's the word for bog bogglygook? Help me out on that one. Gobbledygook? Is that it? Is that the saying? Anyway, we can say this is clearly just the um, Google listing. We'll call this the name of company. This is the review score. And you get what I'm talking about, right? You can just name these. This is number of reviews. This is the category, the address, and so on and so forth. And there's a bunch of data that it's actually going to pull. So check it out. It's been 70 seconds and it's already pulled 51 different rows. So, I mean, that's good for now. You get the idea. So I'm going to stop the crawl. And what you can do is you can download this as a CSV, or you can copy it and put in your own Google spreadsheet, whatever you want. And now you've got all these companies that you can reach out to. And guess what? Here are all their phone numbers. So you have to go in individually and copy and paste and copy and paste. Hopefully that helps. Cool. See you. Bye.